Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix screen burn on Android phone. Screen burn often occurs when a static image remains on the screen for long periods, leaving a faint, permanent shadow. First, reduce screen brightness and enable auto brightness. Use a screensaver or a wallpaper that changes frequently to prevent burn-in. If the burn-in is already visible, use a burn-in fixer or play a screen refresh video that cycles color to help reduce the effect. If the issue persists, consider replacing the screen or contacting the phone manufacturer for repair options. Also, avoid keeping static images on the screen for longer period in the future, and that's it. We just learned how to reduce screen burn effect on Android by adjusting display settings and using screen refresh method, and when to seek a professional repair. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delft Stack tutorial videos.